Dear students, now let's study adult stem cells. These adult stem cells are present into the right bone marrow and the adipose connective tissue. It is also present into the teeth, into the liver, into the testes of the male reproductive system, and the umbilical cord, as I've taught you before, and also into the skeletal muscles. You will find the presence of adult stem cells. Now, what are the uses of these stem cells? Regenerative therapy. Now, in regenerative therapy, that means the cell therapy, what happens that the stem cells will be used to replace the dead cells. Now there are various kinds of diseases like diabetes. Now diabetes occurs due to the low secretion or the under secretion of the hormone insulin. So because of that, the cells of the kidney will not work well. So those dead cells of the kidney can be replaced by the stem cells. Then myocardial infarction is nothing but the heart attack. So myocardial infarction can also be treated with the help of the stem cells, because what happens into heart attack, that our chest is tightened, or there our chest feels very tight. So to make it loose, or to make the proper blood circulation towards our heart, we can use this stem cells. Then there is Alzheimer disease. Now this Alzheimer disease, it destroys the memory and other mental functions. So here also we can use the stem cells, and then this stem cells can be introduced for the formation of new neurons, which will help in proper functioning of our brain. And then there is Parkinson's disease. In Parkinson's disease, the central nervous system uh, is affected. So our movement is also affected because of the Parkinson's disease, and then it results into the tremors. So if we are using this stem cells, we can treat various kinds of diseases which are related to our mental health. Then another use of regenerative theory is to produce blood cells which are required into anemia, thalassemia, and leukemia. We all know that in anemia, there is low, whoever has low proportion of iron into their body, they suffers with anemia, because iron is responsible for the production of hemoglobin. So this is the meaning of anemia. Into thalassemia also, proper blood clotting will not take place. Then in leukemia, which is a blood cancer. So all these things, blood related diseases, can be treated with the help of the stem cells. Then organ transplantation. I've taught you that how stem cells results into formation of a new organ. So in case of failure of the organs like kidney and the liver, we can use stem cells for producing kidney and liver, and then the same kidney and the liver will be transplanted to the needy one. So this is the meaning of organ transplantation. Now we will study organ transplantation in detail. Now you can see over here that how the stem cell will be able to produce various kinds of organs, or the tissues, like it is able to form the neuron, which is the basic unit of our nervous system. Then the stem cells are able, then these neurons will be able to form the brain in turn. Then it can also form the intestine, it can also form the liver, heart, bone. All these things can be formed with the help of the stem cells. And then there is organ transplantation. Now the needy ones, if anybody's organ is not working properly due to various reasons, like that of the age, or like that of the accidents or the infections or any other disorder, this needy persons will require a new and a healthy organ to carry out their life. So if the person gets the necessary organ, in such situation his life can be saved. So availability of donor is very much important. So people also donates the organs. For example, kidney can be donated by any live person, because any person can work on one kidney. Okay, so one kidney if donated to any needy one, two lives, means the life of that person can be saved whose kidneys have been failed. So our excretory system works on the pair of kidneys. So if one kidney is donated, a person, other person's, the needy person's life can be saved, and we can also work on one kidney, our life can still go on one kidney. So various factors are taken into consideration during organ transplantation, like the blood group. Our blood group should be matched with that person. We should not have any kind of disease, we should not have any kind of disorder. Our age should be appropriate, we should not be that old for donating the organs. So these are the certain things which are taken into consideration. Now other organs cannot be donated during the lifetime. That means we cannot donate our heart, because heart, if we donate our heart, we will not be alive, right? So we cannot donate our heart during the lifetime, we cannot donate our liver during the lifetime, we cannot donate both the eyes. If you want to donate our one eye, that will be okay, but nobody will like to give eye, because it is that organ with which we see the entire world. But these are the organs like liver, heart, eyes, this can be donated after the death. So this is known as posthumous donation of the organs. And awareness is brought about into the people to donate their organs after the death, which is a very noble cause, so that it can give life to any needy one. So awareness is still brought about into the um, people of organ donation. Then organ and body donation. See, a liberal view behind the concept of organ and body donation is that after death, our body should be useful to other needful persons. So awareness about this concepts is increasing into our country, and people are voluntarily donating their bodies after